Welcome, YouTubers, to another LEGO review. In this review, you can guess it, it is a LEGO Kyogre. And just last night, I made a video about LEGO Groudon. This one is LEGO Kyogre. So, let's begin. Okay, here's his eye. Pretty evil looking. He has the Kyogre spike things on him. Here's the fins. They move up and down or all around. Here's his arms or whatever. Obviously they move up and down. And this is actually pretty much it. Considering the fact that and he has a design, and yeah, I really don't know what else to say. I just made this not too long ago, like a few hours ago. It's quick and easy. It's a quick and easy build. It's pretty skinny. And it's pretty short. So yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe, follow me, whatever, and goodbye.